Ketesetai ko kakomangke chemung'arainik ab mananas eng Gone Road eng county nebo Kericho akosam serikalitab emoni ak nebo county kotoret ichek eng kakimitetab boisiet ak mung'aretab mananas kobun kanabtaetab siretab Ngoina Road ak teksetab factory nebo mananas eng Roret asikotoret ichek eng boisionikwak. Mitei sirindenyo nebo Kass Media Robert Siele ak chemung'arainik chotok kole kinyoru ng'alalet nebo agenge eng agenge.
Koi missing studio nebo Kass TV en nguni amiten en siret nebo Ngoina Road ak chemung'arainik choton chebo mananas le amache sikobit kororwech kit neu mung'aret ak kit nemoche keyochi icheket en komasi asikotestai ak boisionikwak komo kaimut age tugul. Itakat eng sinoto nebo Kass TV teinakuroi akimwochi ile kikuren ng'o ako boisiet nebo mung'aret en roi ko tos une ako ne someng'wong koityi serikalitab county otinygei ak boisiet notinye rutounen kainet.
So en kainutikchuk kekurenon Gladys nebo Arap Cheriot ameng'un en Kapchelach ko kasit noyoe ko kasitab mananas en Ngoina Road ko shida nekitinye ketinye shida nebo mananas mung'aret nebo mananas kioldoi mananas lakini en nguni ko kokwo ngweny kasit kabisa makesiche kiy makeibe kiy ot kwo gaa makesiche ot chebo busiek so ko netai kesome ot kandoik kora kitinye shida nebo aldoisiet en ireyu mamie elekiburen komie kimoche kochobwech kora elekiburen komie nan kerwai kowirtech koiwek makimine komie kora en ireyu so kesome kandoik sikobit kokerech ko kiya kele kora kichobe factory komakikere kora kele tot kechobwech factory noton kimine shida kwonyikab Ngoina Road makisiche kiy mami kiy netekesiche ot en nguni mung'aret ko kokwo ngweny mi ngweny kabisa nguni nan kebot buch kebesen dukosiek tuguk amakitinye kiy nenyokikochini kesome serikali kotoretech.
Mang'ole boisioni ko kiinomi en kasarta ainon kenyit ainon inomi ako tos itiengei tos ikere ile niton ne bou lagok ako konin itestai en kila?
Niton notiengei amun yuton nyoboe lagok ak kosomesoni lagok kobaten en nguni ko kokwo ngweny komorosiche kiy lagok tot komaam kiy yuton yetoreton. Somenyun ko kotoretech serikali kotoret chepyosokab Ngoina Road maanegen ko sometab chepyosok tugul ak kokerech kole kiune amun kikibir kura kikibirchi komie kemoe kokerech ak echek. Kongoi kabisa.
Taunen kainet kikuren ne mung'aret neitinye en ireyu ako tos une boisiet?
En kainutikyuk ko Florence Yagon ameng'unen Tulwet Village ako mwanabiashara nebo Ngoina Road. En kasit nebo mananas ko kikenyorunen kelchin atinye kasarta nebo kenyisiek 10 ingeyai boisioni lakini en nguni ko oin ko kikonyor ropta nekibo koyat kokonech asenet nekiwo. Mananas chekitokioldoi 50 ko kokonyo ngweny nguni baka 30 shillings. So en nguni ko makinyoru kelchin missing amakinyoru market nekararan en aldoisietab mung'aret. Nerube noniton ko boisiet nekiyoe en ireyu ko kina mama ko makitinye kora shades chekimuch keuren en kasarta nebo asista neu nguni anan en kasarta nebo ropta. So kisome serikali kele andamiten or age tugul kotakoteswech umbrellas amun ki en kasarta ko kikait umbrellasiek ko bahati chekinyor ko tuten missing. So en somenyun ndamiten or age tugul anan uwezo age tugul kotoretech asi en kasarta age tugul nebo asista anan ko nebo ropta kenyoru ak echek ele kakiumen. So kisome kelelen ko ki meng'ikab Ngoina Road wanabiashara chebo Ngoina Road kele ndamiten or age tugul nebo toretet kesome serikali kokusiech kong. Kikemwa akobo boisiet akobo tekset nebo factory tom kai kenyorunen kelchin en kenyisiek chekikoba 10 akoi nguni kora kekonech promises ako mafulfillenokse tekset nebo factory nebo mananas. So en somenyon ko kikina mama kesome kelelen ndamukokse kechobwech ak kitwoisi factory noton en somenyon en koming'inetab gei asikeker ndakisire alak en echek kotabakoyai en boisiet en yoton asi en tugukyok alak chebo mbar koba yoton ak kimuch kiblendan kou juice ak kobwa rabisiek kesirculaten rabisiek en gaa. So ko somenyun ko mwanabiashara nebo Ngoina Road.
Taunen kainet kikuren ng'o en nwokindo kityok boisiet ne en ireyu?
En kainutikchuk kekurenon Masa nebo Arap Ruto ameng'unen Kipkariat. En boisiet amiten Ngoina Road. En kasitab mananas iman ko kokwo ngweny. Ot kou echek ko makitemen komosi yoche kesor en komosin koker oret ko kokwo ngweny kabisa kotiengei koyat nekikonyo besio ko kobir koyat koteitei kobek koba ngweny ko kebe kesor en ndonyo ko makinyoru. Ko nguni ko kokeseretien ak kesomin kora mheshimiwa mutai itoretech ichobwech ot ngweny en ng'atatiat ngorobon kobirech ropta ak ichoboitoti ko ndakatoretech kochobwech ngweny asi yon kai kobendi beek ak kochobwech ng'alekab shade ko matinye ng'al chechang.
So choton ko alak en chemung'arainik chebo Ng'oinaror ng'ololchin ketesioni kotiengei ak magutikwak oret agenge nebo kokimit ak kanapta boisionikwak chetiengei icheket. So kong'eten siret noton nebo Ng'oinaror nemiten en Bureti county nebo Kericho tuchin noton nebo Kas Mashinani, kainenyu ko Robert Siele, testai iker Kas TV amu kimnotet naet.
Ketesetai kokoimuch kolumda kampunit notok nebo kakoitoetab tujet nebo Old Mutual tetutietab Paystack eng tokyinetab konyumnyum kakoitoetab tujet keboisie musoknotetab kasari. Ngegustigong.
So today we witnessed official launch of our partnership between Old Mutual and Paystack. What Paystack is bringing to us as Old Mutual is making the payment process seamless. That now we've added the Paystack capability into our digital channels, that customers now can complete their buying process seamlessly by getting what capability the Paystack brings to make payments, be they through card, mobile money, seamless, that they don't need to get off the platform to go and make that payment to us, that Paystack now takes care of all that, and to the customer is just one continuous process. Its main objective is to make it easy for customers to access Old Mutual, and for us as Old Mutual to serve our customers much more efficiently. That's the whole program that we have been on. Part of that program has been to build digital channels through which customers can discover the solution they are looking for, find the products that they need from our different digital channels, and then buy, because that's what customers are looking for. Why this is important is mainly around customer convenience, because when you make it easy for a customer to transact with you, we are making the life of a customer easy, because the reason why they have come to the platform is to get a service from us, and they want to do it as quickly as possible with very little friction in the process. So what Paystack is doing now for us is to solve that problem. Why it is important to us is, number one, digital channels in financial services, especially insurance. Banking has been much ahead, but we see in insurance, adoption of digital channels has not yet full to where we believe it should be. And one way of enhancing that is creating trust in the process. So trust is that I need to know when I make the payment is going to Old Mutual. I'm not worried about whether or not the payment has gone through. And number two, I need to make it simple. So as an example, there are certain amounts where a customer cannot complete the payment through their mobile platform, for example, because it has got limits. Then you got to get off and then go and make a payment through a different way. Now Paystack closes that loop. It doesn't matter what the amounts that you're trying to transact are, and it's in the same process. And you can actually switch whether it is mobile money or bank and all that. And we believe by making transactions, financial service transactions digital, you make it efficient for the customer, you make it easily accessible, because now it doesn't matter what time it is. You don't need to call somebody to confirm whether your payment has come through. And then for us is to make it more efficient to serve our customers and thereby building our business. One key thing is just continue to invest in raising awareness. Awareness of, number one, understanding financial needs, understanding what is available to meet those needs. So on one hand, if you're just starting off your journey building wealth, you need to understand what options do I have for savings. How do I start to build my investment? How do I build protection for emergencies? How do I protect my small business, whether big or small? How do I protect myself, my family? And then creating ease of access to these services. So part of what you are doing with Paystack and the investments you are making in digital transformation is to create ease. And ease is about being able to reach every customer, irrespective of their standing. So be they high net worth or be they beginners in the journey. Of course, we have got to continue to innovate in our solutions. The financial needs are evolving, new needs are emerging, and staying at the forefront of innovation to make sure that we've got solutions. The products themselves, but also how they are delivered is crucial. And as Old Mutual, that's something we're quite keen on, creating the awareness, innovating solutions and products. And then lastly is thinking ecosystem-wide as opposed to just single streams, because customers exist in different forms depending on their life cycle and what they are involved in. And so through arrangements like what we have with Paystack and other partners that we are bringing together, then you create an ecosystem through which customers can easily solve their financial needs.
Yeah, so our partnership with Old Mutual is very interesting and really exciting for us in Kenya. It basically goes to show like some of the hard work that we've done over the years and working with great partners like Old Mutual to be able to support some of their new digitization needs, basically to help their customers make seamless payments. And what we're trying to do with that is through one service Paystack offers, we give the customers the ability to make payments through any channel, be it cards, your Visa, your MasterCard, your Amex, mobile money for local payment, for local customers. So things like M-Pesa, Airtel Money, and then also things like bank transfers. So if a customer wants to make a payment through their bank, we also support that. And this is really exciting because it then helps complete their journey for Old Mutual for their customers. Basically, when they want to complete a payment, they can seamlessly do it through Paystack. And what we offer is basically for the customer a really simple, clean user experience. So basically, when a customer wants to make a payment, it's as easy as putting your mobile number or putting your card details and completing the payment within the app without having to leave the app. And that creates trust. And for customers who want to repeat, they always know that they'll get the best service through Old Mutual. Paystack, we've basically been in the market for 4 years, licensed by the central bank.
Chitab kalenjin tesetai tetu chitab kas mashinani agoing student betu tabrani go gibai gora gitindai tot nendet ko trufena korir agoine kwa genge big chota gibiltin genge jeret notok neba women representative in county neba Nandi kingen gelenga ron tabrani go gatuya President William Ruto akando chotok maje go belt genge jerok cheterter chebo agando ina teteng chama itap UD ago notok wagabai tugeta jinendet no goro rich kuletos kaune tuyet akpanganutik chetindai iteget engalegap tetutik chotok chebo bandaptai agando ina tet ing emetab Kenya. So karibu missing Trufena studio.
Kongwe amuta.
Angelale kasarta nitai nyo Kas TV.
Nata. Tomanyo nebuta. Agene kikengalalen kaseng Kapsabet sangi ogole.
So amje gat pigap kuti tagi moite ke gona inis kolega kwano singe ngalali gengen gele bunwana exactly.
Kongwe. Amaja agat pigap Nandi tugole Nandi county ale o amune kichomege kokitu Nairobi komie kokibwane lagat akeitu akakanye ketestai ak tuyet komie kakeboiboitu kakobaibait akine president nenyonet amu kakichang chekakibwa akeboiboitu amu kakiker kakikas ngalek chekamwawech missing ko chekamwawech Kindiki progress nebo emetab Kenya. Kakere man akot akane kakere kotakas ale kakeit Singapore. Atya kongalalwech president akine akomwawech amune asikemoche kevying for our seats. Simakimeche kityongon keyai tugun chekimwoe kimeche ng'echerok. Ako chitugul nemeche kocheng ng'echer ko komeche kosop Kenya akosop ole kabunu. Akas kochera missing akabaibaitu kounoto. Kongoi.
So inyendet ko yagenge biik chotok kibeltin ng'echeret nebo women representative in Nandi County ko as women representative ko chang biik chitebege kole ngipkoite siker ile imeche kaimach iegu women rep konyalu komi boisionik chemara kiyai inyendet isulnae chemara ikose tangenini nega chemara kacherin inyendet si mach zaidi ibeltige ng'echeranatok. So mara yarorwech kityo kwa ufupi ile tos ne nekiisuldae ako ne cherset nekinyoru siker ile kemach ng'echeret nebo women rep ama ng'echeret age.
Kongoi missing. Akot kotomo ait boisionik che kiyayai akobo eng Nandi County ko kongete eng sobenyu tugul ko kiachome akas ale takitoret chi takiyochi biik boisiet giving back to the community. Akot eng ole kiaboisie eng sipitali akoi tun aritoni ko boisiet ne kingonekit kingotamite kasi ko kikitou boisiet a CBO nekikure akoi Gogo Caring Services. ne kikitau ak a few people over karibu 15 years nguno.
Wow.
Ko boisionotok ko kocham ketoreti biik cheyosen chomoche toretet. Imuche kemwowech through kobun boyob kok anan ko kobun chi kobun kirwokindet kele mi gogo nenyolilyo anan ko ki nenyolili. Kebendi ketokekere kocham komwa inendet ami sipitali angen medic abokere korok the needs chemi koyoto. Mara ko kot nekamach kolul, mara ko kikonam jigas anan tutuinik, mara ko amitwogik. Atyo aibu anyun en report notok konyo grupit ak inyekepangankei ak mobilisan kokwet eng yotok amu gogo anan akwakui kobo chitugul eng yotok. Kelechi nenyo chichi ongerib tugul ke mobilisan ak kele tos otoretite ano. Ak kebwa akichek ak toretet nenyo. Ngo ketekyi kot ke involven kaniset nemi yotok kwal kibatinik ake kwal ketik ake komal chepyosokab kaniset ak kokwet kot keibu tuguk chemokyingei, keibchi amitwogik, keibchi kitandet, malasi tugul cheboisie. Atyo anyun kecheng ole kibo kokoinitok ni angwakuini eng kaniset ak kinam kanisanatak kotestai korib ak kokwet asikebendi kekere kele tesetai. Ko kong'ete kingetau boisionotok ko mami gogo nekikonyalil kokeny koyai konyalil. Nekakonam bichotok ak kakonai amune asikonyolu korib chi neos kokwet ak kaniset koboiboitu gogonotok akoi mara betusiek chekelilen. Ko mising ko cham kemwochini kele mi eng Nandi kiy nekelen ng'oki nebo chiyos. Ko kingetau boisietab akui gogo kele ngimeche kewal ng'olyondoni kekure berur nebo chiyos. Ko kewal ng'oki nebo chiyos ko ngerib gogo koberuri bich akoberuri koinyi akoberuri chitugul ak keng'ololchini lagokchik ak next of kin kelechi bo iman kerib chi neos.
So angen ale kasini ko marahisi ako kaimwa ile otoretishei, so mangen ale tos kiobwat ong'ololchi biikab kokwet anan ko biik chebo county sioker ole koboisie tugul eng kibagenge anan ne panganutik chotindoi sioker ole kokimit this organization.
Kikeng'alal kingetau ko kitaketau kebendi kot agenge achegei. Andabuch ko betusiek alak kosubi kole kenyisiek chekisubi ko kiking'alal ak county referral hospital keng'alal ak ofisitab governor ko cham amu kiakoet kasinotok ko cham kebendi ak kokonech karit akokonech kerichek ipkinya eng olotok. Atyo komi kora betut nekelen en Older Citizen Celebration Day tarik 1 arawetab 10. Kocham kong'ete tarik 1 arawetab 10 anan ko tarik 1 arawetab 9 akoi kilele tarik 1 arawetab 10 kocham kebendi kerequesteni sipitali referral hospital ak ofisitab governor sikokonech karit sikebe every sub county ak keassembleni cheosen ak keng'ololchini ak kitikoni kora next of kins ak konyoi sipitali. Ye kakokonech kerichek kokonech kora personnel konyoi sipitali kong'ololchin chitugul, ng'ololchin social work, ki-involveni all stakeholders chekimi akot social work akot bicho ikochin rabinik cash transfer konyo kong'ololchi bichoto koboiboitu akichek konyor chi neos imandanyi nebo ng'alalet. Atyo eng betunotok keyochini exercises kelechini makirue eng keoset ko makirue kocham kekonye korwai korwae kabisa ko kokonakanam nambwan koname branketit. Ngo kakitinye chepkonda nekakonech Welwisher kikochi ngo ka 1000 anan ko chete amu nguno chekabit kotiegei kenyisiek. Kora ko ngo kakorwai kunoto kelechini matib komuny eng gaa ipkotestai kwo kabungui ako exercise amu takerwae kora betut age konyolu kotestai kou noto.
So imuch kotebegei chito kole mangen nguni saizi tesetai boisietab chepyosok cheosen ak boisiek ne neitorchinigei in terms of tibik ak the youths because inyendet iborchinigei ng'echeret notok nebo women rep ako the need nekere ile ndakilewenin eng rani eng Nandi County ko walutik ingircho cheiborchinigei ker ile keibu?
Kongoi mising en ng'echeretab women rep ko kalechin ane achame giving back to the community.
Yes.
Ang'ololchini akot chama youth counselor
Oh wow.
eng kanisa akot lukakukurcho akot eng schools. Ko kiking'ololi ak youths nekit ko all my biik chetoreto koyoiwo campaign anan ko ng'ololdoiwo ko neranik. Ako amu kilenjo kimoche chi nechomech, chi nekere kole tosop chi. Ako amu cham ing'ololwech buch ak kekere kele you are the right person. Tat ki ng'alekwak choto. Andabuch ane ko nebo somok ra asome ng'echeranita.
Wow.
Ko kiasome korok netai I empower the old needy ak asome kora ale saker bichu mengechen chutok chu ale soptoi ano, especially the youth. Ko kainet chito ak iborchi ilechi kiamwochini alechini oindo kikakitinye tuyet alechi ndange empowernen mara kometinye akot a skill kinetin akot driving ak kekonin chepkonda iale pikipikit ak ibisop iyeku role model nebo chito age. Ko cham amwochini alechini kararan iyai kit nemwoe sobondong'ung. Makararan anyalecho ara anyun sinyobe anyun tugul imbar anan sinyobe ano. So as a group ingen chi tugul kit nesobe nekose kole takiyai skill nenyinet. Kose missing ale tosopcho neranik. Yesop nerana komakowendi konomoti ketik anan kopete mara kosuboti tuguchu kikobar lagokchok maiyek. Ko yekai counseling chito kolenjin ara ine what next. Ko kararan yekochi kit nemoche koyai. Ko eng achek akoi gogo ko ngawek let yo kole ko kikecheng imbaret nenekit nguno kait pointishek 3.
Okay.
Ko kikisomen yo kele ketech yutok sipitali nekimuchi kenyae biik cheosen ak ketech a rescue center, a training an empowerment facility nekimuchi ketrainene chi konap cheranit ketrainene age mara kwai driving asinye kiempower especially youths. Abinyoru lagok alak chekikosich lagok eng gaa komi gaa kityok lagokchik. Ko ngimutu konyeketrainen ak keempower kikochi cheranit ak material akonap ing keter kapchi anan kwa kioski kikochi some little capital chekakomuch kwale materials kosobe chicho. Ko kwanyik akichek ak chepyosok ko biik cheng'omen chechang ko kikotoi business akotaune business en silk chepkondok choumchingei small loans ko tomo aendi ng'echeranep women rep lakini angen ale mitei chepkondok chemuchi kosop chepyosochu. Kiker chito kotaune mung'aret 10,000 asi mutai kokakobetyo 10,000 kora ko kwaker ale ndaking'ololchin chepyosochu ak kenet ak kikochi good money nemuchi kotaune komabeti akoi kolipan fees akoi kosop. So ko kabwati ale ndakitraineni bichu especially cho kikoyai kasisiek cho kikoyai mung'aroshek ak keempower komie kosoptos bichoto. Ko chetom koyai mung'aret akine komi kit neibwoti eng metinyi kole takiyai mara komameche mung'aret mara komeche korib ara mara komeche korib ngokaik kekochi kit nengo capital nekararan ak kinet korok matkikochi kityo asingekap korib ngokaik chotok koek a real entrepreneur ne eng Nandi County ketinye akot ole kieng'e ngokaik ko ndakakikochi ngokaik ak mutai kokoito kotugul akoib alak kosobe chicho tako passion nenyi takochome ko makesomen yu ale tosopcho bichu ako tamamwochini akichek alechini tangenamin eut kenamin ak king'et ak kenamin komie makenamin nengelen kenamin ibuti ko noto nekachome achi kunoto.
Okay, mite tibik che mara kiba sukul matakotestai because kingen challenges chebune girl child eng society ko inyendet iborchinigei ng'alekab women rep tos ne nitarchinigei siker ile as much as mara kait lakwet form 1 anan ko form 2 akonyor lakwet ko takomuchi kotestai ak somanet ak kora kikere youths vijana chechang ko kikobetyi siku hizi ng'alekab boisietab kerichekab bokitet ak maiyek chemoyonotin ako kokere president ko ikoito kurset komwa kole oye ongeboisie kibagenge keker kele kakimuch kiterter yautiani amu kokowekta let kabisa barnotik chechang eng emet.
Kongoi ketiny anyun nito amu I personally anendet atinye right now lakwet nekibamut ngonywa nekisich lakwet ako kiagere lakwanato ko ng'om nebo kwong'ut komi sukul tun ndatebekwan kole kisich lakwet amete konyo kokelwo sukul age nekekure Golden Gate nekakile kisomani for 2 years before that ko kiba kinyo age nekikakonyalil kikakosich lagok somok ko kimi konyinet ako ki dropen out eng form 3 agere aleji inyone kila inyisom beek isom ne maimukakse atoretin akoi kunoto ndewekchinigei sukul kolyo kole kososo kol aleji bong'alal ak boyong'ung sandeng'ung ipkong'ololchin iman akoyonji akwo sukul kotar form 4 keng'ololi nguno ko kikakoek an attendance somewhere amu kingoitu kokakotar sukul kokakonam lagok komatokomuch kwa college akomi lagok lakini keng'ololi nguno komite Dubai kosomesani lagokchik so there is hope beyond falling back ngebut chito komatitebe yoto ing'et kokeny akicheng ole mi toretet nebo aeng ko chi newendi kotko mutai ikere kakobokit lakwano ako chepto anan kwam kerichek komi ole kitoune lakwanata the best question to ask them is how did it happen kongen kole kikiesha kisomesana kelejin ara ne nerube kongen kole ndataweksei sukul asobe anan makotinya wek amache ketoret atoi mung'aret ko kakotil chito eng muguleldanyi kosobe chichoto lagok chok ko imuch iman iker ile kakobokit alakini yeing'ololchi komie kongen ole ng'ete akosop mi sine chekikong'eten kobokityo mising kotko ngilen ile komakomukakse ko nekit atinye about 3 boys chekiking'ololchin ak sisikik kot ke aleji lakwani ko kikoike ak kikomyan nguno kikoik miondo melen nito ko bokitotet kokoi imut kwa rehab ako ngimut lakwet kwa rehab betushechu ak keng'ololchi komie kosobe lakwanata kai kityongon kilen ing'ololchi sikindet ko ameche kerehabilitaten inendet akilit korok ngilen imwochi kole kikalechi ng'o kobet man sine man kikalechi ng'o kobet lakini yekikobet kemeto iman so eng facility ninyone nekimeche ketech kemeche kende kit neu noto nekimuchi keyochi counseling chi kot kowek akilit kotebi komie akole kiabut iman lakini I still have another chance namuchi ang'ete ndakaanyo yu komi pastayat yu kong'ololchin komi counselor kong'ololchin komi mwalimuiyot neineti boisietab eunek mara cheranet anan ko ECD akot kosobe chichoto there is hope and there is life after falling
so angen ale challenge kora nebitu missing eng kokwatinwek ko orit olin bo kokwatinwek kotomo konyor that empowerment kwonyik chechang inyoru ile mandangot information kole mi mara rabishek chekikoitoi chekipcheitoi chebo chepyosok tomo ke-enlighten kelechi imuch ochut grupishek akotau mung'aroshek ko inye nguni ndelewenin biikab Nandi County ko ne neiinsureni siker ile as much as kakiupliften kwonyik chotok chemite eng urban centers ko biik chotok mite kokwatinwek orit olin kora ko kakimuch kora ke-empoweran
mising eng manifesto nanyunet ko kiasir boisionik chemite ng'echeretab women rep asiamwochi chito the truth cham amwochin akot kijanaek chutochu amu most of them alechi go to Google yotok yo akiker ile ne boisiet nemi yotok yo mite empowerment mite akot kesir chi kasi ako kamwochi eng cham keng'ololi saa 3 anan between 9 yo alechini matongetebe WhatsApp ini ako matkolecho chi ui anyun matibiutyenech WhatsApp nekokitou kobo boisiet akoi tun keker kele kakeine so kotoretech Jehova akelande kinyeketebye ng'weny kepanganigei eng committee tugul kong'ete Tinderet akoi Nandi Mosop tetyo kotebi ng'weny chi tugul akeeku our brothers keepers sikomwa chi kole en tindiret kole kimeche keyai ni kouni kemwa kunotok ak keribgei tugul. That is my manifesto.
Wow.
Amoche koyochigei boisionikwak. Ane ko kiayai kasit kotaretayan. Akase kityongon koimo komotogu kiy nekararan nemong'une ng'echerani. Ale ko kilite ano ng'echerani. Amoche aker ole kilite ng'echerani ako ne nemi orit yutok yu. Nyokosobe lagochu chok.
So kewang'u because of time ko mangen ale inye nguni ameche ng'alalchi biikab Nandi ak imwachigei sile imi debe.
Kongoi. Biik chok chebo Nandi kakokas kainenyu kikurenon Trufena nebo Arap Korir. Abunu Kapsabet yobo Irimis ak karibu Eastview. Ak asome ng'echeret nebo Women Rep Nandi County. Kiasome besho. Uwon nebo somok ra. Ko kasome ale otoreto osira kasini. Ingotamuchi arib chaosen chamakobendi kandaras. Kopil biik chetikomuchi konai kole amoche ayai ne chekielekezoni kityo. So kasome kwonyik ak chepyosok chebo Nandi County otoreto osira kasini. Otoreto ocheng'wa kurayat. Kamoche amwochi kijanaek kora cheko kimite tugul ale otoreto ketoretkei. Kou ye koketou bani kibagenge angen ale kibendi kot kesulde. Asinye keker kele mi ne yu. Akot amoche amwa kora ale okwek ak ane chenyeketepche ng'ony kemwa kele kiyoe ne sikesop. Kikamwa ak atamwoe kora ale mameche chi nelen yetun keit olin ibiutyeno mautyechi mawendi wui. Kinyeketepche ng'ony tugul ak keyai boisionik. Ko somenyu noto. Nebo aeng asome biik well wishers akobo kabungunonyo kikokonech Jehova eng Kipture akoi koko caring services nekitinye boisietab kaumanik tarik 7. Kikose takiyai kiy simatun kobet koronotok buch. Ako kikecheng kot kenyoru. Kikose takiyai kiy ako makoi kimuch achegei. Cham komwoe Nandi kolenen mabore siyet agenge siriat. So asome well wishers chechok chekokemusyi ak chi nekakasa kole kimeche keyai boisiet nekitege sipitalitab biik cheosen, nekitege rescue center nekimuchi keribe, nekitege mara ngobarait kore kitekemuchi ketorete lagok chok. Ke-empower en somanosiek chemengechen. Kasomok eng kaming'inetabgei ale obwa ketoretkei. Angen ale kokemusyi biik chechang, kokemusyi akot governor ako kokakituye tuwai kora eng Chebisas. Somin kabisa mheshimiwa Stephen Sang nyoitoretech. Kokemusyi Baliach, kokemusyi biik chechang, kokemusyi akot Baraton University chekicham kotoretech, kokemusyi Kapchai, kokemusyi anyun biik alak anyun individual. Ak anyun ng'olyot nebo let amoche amwa kongoi eng boisiek chekoibwatech akorirenech akole bichu konek nekoni koi tunou chendochin Timon retired chief. Kongoi amu kobwatech ngoberurok Jehova yoe boisioni. Betut nekakeker kiy nekakotok ko nenyo tugul kaberuret.
Kongoi.
Kongoi mising.
Wow, kongoi mising eng kasarta nekaikonech inyo Steve eng betutab rani.
Kongoi.
Ko chitab Kalenjin eng studio eng betutab rani kokimite ak Trufena Korir, inendet ko belchinkei ng'echeret notok po anan some ng'echeretab Women Rep eng Nandi County ako inendet kora kotindoi boisionik cheyoe kotoreti biik cheosen eng olin bo Nandi County ako kisome ongetestai ketoret inendet asikomuch kora kotoret biik eng kokwatinwek. Ko kakitukyoto ak tetutietab Cash Mashinani eng kasarta nematya nyeketuitosi eng logoiwekab emet. Kigurena Jacqueline Arusei.